Hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make a nude preset. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to -0.10. Contrast to -42. Highlights to +24. Shadows to -12. Whites to -100. And blacks to -50. If you're done, go to Curve. Choose the white curve and follow the steps carefully. Then the blue curve. Click Done. Next, go to Color. Adjust the temperature to +28. Tint to +14. Vibrance +36. And the saturation to -12. If you're done, go to Color Mix. Adjust the red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple and magenta as shown. But don't stick to it, adjust it with the photos you have, because the difference in brightness and basic color of your photos will be very influential.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
If you finished, click Done. Next, go to Effect. Adjust the texture to +10. Clarity to +30. Dehaze to +18. Vignette to -14. Midpoint to 10. Feather to +90.
Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do
And the roundness to +25.
love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the
Go to
feeling.
detail. Adjust the sharpening to 20.
Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Noise reduction to +30. And color noise reduction to +30. And we are done. This is before and after. And now, we're gonna use this preset to the other photos.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next Adobe Lightroom tutorial. Bye.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and